These are the structures of suspended fourth and suspended second chords. Let's start by writing out a suspended fourth chord. So the first interval that we've got is a do, fa, a perfect fourth, and then fa, so, a major second, which is 5 semitones first, and then 2. We're going to practice this by writing out the D suspended fourth chord. So let's write out our first note of the D, and then we'll count up 1, which is the first note that we're on, 2, 3, 4, and then write in our fifth note, because a D suspended fourth chord, or any suspended fourth chord, uses notes 1, 4, and 5. So there's our first note, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's not quite as simple as writing in line, 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 or space, 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 like the other triads. So now that we've got our spacing and our lines correct, then we can make sure that the semitones are matching. So we need to have 5 semitones between the bottom and the middle note. So D and G. Let's check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that looks good. And then G and A needs to be 2 semitones apart. 1, 2. So it looks like the spacing is already correct. We don't need to add any flats or sharps to make it fit. So this is D suspended fourth. We're going to practice again with an F suspended second chord. So we go through the same process, but the spacing is different. We'll write in the bottom note F, and then we need to have notes 1, 2, and 5 in the suspended second chord. So there's our note 1, it's already written in. Our note 2, we can write neatly next to it, and then we'll count up to note 3, 4, and put in note 5 above those notes. So it looks nice and neat in a line like so. Now let's see if this spacing fits or whether we need to add any sharps or flats. So the suspended second chord is the opposite of the suspended fourth chord. So instead of having 5 semitones, then 2 semitones, we need to have 2 semitones and then 5 semitones. So let's check out 2 first. F to G. 1, 2. So that fits. No sharps or flats needed. G to C. Let's use this G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No flats or sharp needed. So this is our F suspended second chord, and that's our D suspended fourth chord.